Everlane. Look at this ad right here. Japanese fabric washed to perfection at the world's cleanest denim factory. Ethically made, perfectly fit. 68 bucks. Man, that is great copy. What are they trying to say here? They are sending a message about not just the quality of their products, but the industry in general. Like, this casts doubt onto all other denim, doesn't it? It makes you think to yourself, what's my other denim's situation? You know, am I being responsible? Ethically made, perfectly fit. I mean, they're essentially saying, they're asking you if you're doing the right thing. Are you being ethical when you buy your denim? Supporting ethical when you buy your denim. I am totally in love with this copy. Look at how simple this ad is, man. I mean, there's not a lot to it. Shows the denim up close, 11 ounce. It's not like bold denim. I think that's pretty heavy duty. I thought this ad was good too. $68 performance jean made with organic 4-way stretch denim for maximum comfort in motion. $68 performance jean. That's their first tag. $68 performance jean. That's their benefit. Made with organic 4-way stretch denim feature. Very clean. Basics you can count on. It's just great copy. It's great storytelling there. Very quick cuts. In use. Makes you feel like it's a well-made product that's going to last, doesn't it? This is a standard ad. If you don't have it, you got to have it. Oxford shirt made with premium Japanese fabric. That is cool that they're clearly making a distinction between US and Japanese. They're casting light onto what might have otherwise been perceived as something negative, right? If it's made overseas, don't know about the quality. They're cutting that off right away and addressing the issue up front and saying that it's premium Japanese fabric. That means they're getting ahead of where your mind might go, and instead of me thinking like, oh, this is made in Japan, like it might not be that quality, you're thinking, oh, this is made in Japan and it's premium. This sounds like their operation is really well put together. I don't think that copy would do as well if you didn't have a premium creative like this. I'm speculating, but it just feels to me like if you use that copy and UGC, it's not going to achieve the desired effect. But if you've got a really well put together stock style photo, image or video like this, you get the combination of me believing that it really is premium because the creative is premium. So I buy into that copy real well. I might not be right. That's just really what I think. $155 for a shoe is pretty standard for a good pair of shoes. But you might consider adding like Afterpay or Klarna or something to this checkout page to help people, make the purchase, especially a younger demographic. Let's check you out on Google. Oh wow, no brand protection. That's pretty surprising. Man, I can't believe there's no competitors buying on your name. Wow. I mean, how are there no competitors buying on Everlane? Wow, that is wild. Let's see on shopping from Everlane. Beautiful. Everlane. Very well done there. Anyway, great creatives, really nice copy. They're doing a good job of describing this brand, telling the story. And I'm impressed. I'm really surprised there's no brand protection needed, but shopping's really dialed. These guys are doing a good job. Go look at what they're doing in their ads. If you own a shoe company, give your opinion on the comments, whatever you think would be the right call. My name is Bobby Dietz. Thanks for watching this ad review. We'll see you in the next one.